Avoid carbon monoxide poisoning by clearing snow from exhaust pipes before starting car engines. Avoid running cars in enclosed spaces and clear snow from the vents of combustion appliances. Also, remove flammable items such as clothing from heat sources and space heaters. Never heat your home with a stove or oven. And do not use kerosene or oil-burning heaters indoors. For more information, contact 311 TTY 212 504 4115 or visit NYC.gov/severe weather or NYC.gov/311.